In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and open multiple URLs in Chrome with one click. If you ever need to open a bunch of links at the same time, doing it one by one can take a lot of time. A much faster option is to use a Chrome extension that lets you paste several URLs together and open them all at once. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process in a simple and clear way so you can set it up quickly. To get started, make sure you've already copied all the links you want to open. This is important because once the extension is installed, you'll be pasting those URLs into it. Before moving on, just double-check that all the links are copied properly and ready to use. Next, go to Chrome and open the Extensions area or the Chrome Web Store so you can search for the tool you need. In the search bar, type Open Multiple URLs. Once you see the correct extension in the results, click on it to open its page. From there, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to install the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to continue. After that, wait a few moments while Chrome installs it. This usually only takes a short time, so just give it a second to finish. Once the extension has been added successfully, look at the top right area of your Chrome browser and click the extension icon. This is where you'll find the extension you just installed. Click on the Open Multiple URLs extension to launch it. When it opens, you'll see a space where you can paste all the links you copied earlier. This is the section designed for bulk URL input, so simply paste your full list there. A helpful tip here is to make sure each link is separated clearly, usually on its own line, so the extension can recognize them properly. At this point, everything is set up and ready. You've copied your links, installed the extension, opened it from the top of Chrome, and found the place where those URLs should be pasted. This makes the process much easier whenever you need to open several websites together, instead of repeating the same action over and over. That's the full setup for opening multiple URLs in Chrome with one click. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very quick workflow and can save you a lot of time.